Kayla made observations about the selling price of a new brand of coffee that sold in 3 different size bags. She recorded those observations in the following table. Is the price proportional to the amount of coffee? Why or why not? Remember, when looking at rates, we do the cost per item. So in this case, we're going to do the cost, which is $2.10 per ounce. And we're going to check and see, is this the same for each of these sets of data? If they are the same, then we can say there's a constant of proportionality that exists, and then they would be proportional. So, are they equal? I know I can divide 21 by 3, so that would give me 7 and a 2, so I would have 70 over 2. For this one, I can divide them by 4. 28 divided by 4 is 7, and 8 divided by 4 is 2, so that also gives me 70 over 2. For this one, 8 goes into 56 7 times, and 8 goes into 16 twice. So they all have the same fraction, and we could even break that down even further. If we wanted to split 70 cents into 2 equal parts, we would get 35 cents for each ounce. So, is the price proportional? Yes. Each ounce costs 35 cents. This is a constant of proportionality. So they are proportional. B says use the relationship to predict the cost of a 20-ounce bag. If each ounce costs 35 cents and we need 20 ounces, we need to multiply. Don't forget your place value spacer. 2 times 5 is 10. Carry your 1. 2 times 3 is 6, plus 1 more is 7. That's supposed to be a 0. Looks kind of like a 6. Remember, if your question has 2 decimal spots, your answer also needs 2 decimal spots. So it should cost $7 for 20 ounces. You and your friend go to the movies. The cost of admission is $9.50 per person. Create a table showing the relationship between the number of people going to the movies and the total cost. So we're going to create a table. If we have to pay for one person, it's going to cost us $9.50. If we pay for 2 people, we have to spend another $9.50. Which is $19. Then for 3 people, we would need another $9.50. And for a 4th person, we would need another $9.50. Then it says, explain why the cost of admission is proportional to the amount of people. Since each ticket costs $9.50, this is our constant of proportionality. If we were to divide these would be equal to one another. And they would all come out to be $9.50.